So your major is history.
Yes.
You feel like it is very interesting?
I thought it was interesting because I had notions, ideas in
Mm.
my head that I thought it was going to be boring, but actually I found it to be very interesting. I
Oh.
had the wrong ideas about history, but luckily, fortunately, I had really good professors that made it really interesting because, as I mentioned many times in the live stream, I took a class called East Asian Film and I
Mm.
studied Chinese history through movies and Japanese history through movies, and it was really cool.
Yeah, I think Chinese history that's very long, like thousands of years. Like you must
Right.
be so patient person. You're going to focus on the book or the movies for a long time. For me, it's very difficult. I cannot do these things.
We didn't go back too far.
Yes,
We just
I know, I know.
snapshots, a few films from each decade, you know?
I see. I see. It's like some majors. It's not going to be a doctor or nurse, but they're studying some majors like we're only study a little bit from nursing, a little bit from medical, a little bit from medicine, but we're not going to be this kind of professions.
What are you doing on HelloTalk? You seem like a really cool person.
Actually, I want to study a little bit French and English, maybe. And because in Hong Kong, we're going to study in English, like the class is in English. So I'm practicing a little bit to help me fixing the class better.